What you're watching right now was created entirely with free AI tools. No 3D software, no animation background, and no complicated setup. And yet, this is where most AI animations still fail. Not because of quality, but because of consistency. One scene looks perfect, then suddenly the character changes. The face shifts, the proportions feel off, or the style doesn't match anymore. And the moment that happens, the entire animation feels unprofessional. So here's the real question. Is it actually possible to create a full cartoon-style animation using only free AI tools while keeping the character consistent from start to finish? The answer is yes, but only if you follow the right workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you that exact workflow from beginning to end. It's beginner-friendly, completely repeatable, and this is the same animation you just saw at the start. To make this easy, I've already prepared everything for you. All the prompts are in the pinned comment, so you're not guessing or experimenting. You just copy, paste, and follow along. Everything starts in ChatGPT. Go to the pinned comment, copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit Generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT builds the full animation blueprint, the story, character descriptions, and 2 sets of prompts, one for generating images and one for turning those images into video clips with dialogue included. Now we generate the characters and scenes, and for that, we'll use Whisk. Whisk is one of the easiest tools for keeping character identity consistent, and it now runs Nano Banana Pro under the hood, so the outputs look cleaner and animation ready. Open Whisk. Now go back to ChatGPT and find the first character image prompt. Copy that character prompt exactly as it is. Paste it into Whisk's prompt box. Make sure your aspect ratio matches what you're making. 9:16 for shorts, 16:9 for regular YouTube. For this tutorial, I'm using 16:9. Then click Generate. In a few seconds, Whisk gives you your first character. If you like the result, keep it. If not, generate again until you get the one you want, because this image will become your locked character reference. Now do the same for character 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second character prompt, paste it into Whisk, and generate. Again, pick the version you like best because we're about to lock both characters so they stay the same across every scene. Now here's the most important move in this entire workflow. Take the final image of character 1 and drag it into subject box number 1 on the left. Then click the plus icon to add another subject box. Now drag character 2 into subject box number 2. Once both character images are inside those subject boxes, your characters are locked in. From this point on, whenever you generate a scene image, Whisk will use these 2 exact characters as references. That means faces, outfits, and proportions stay consistent scene after scene. Now we generate the scenes. Go back to ChatGPT and find Scene 1 image prompt. Copy the Scene 1 prompt and paste it into Whisk. Double-check your aspect ratio, then click Generate. Now repeat the same process for every scene. Scene 2, copy the prompt, paste into Whisk, generate, download. Scene 3, copy, paste, generate, download. Keep going until all scenes are generated and save every image in one folder in order. Once all scene images are ready, it's time to animate them using Grok. Open Grok and go to the video generation section. When you upload an image, Grok may try to generate a video automatically, but we don't want that. So go to Settings, open Behavior, and turn off automatic video generation. Now upload your first scene image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt for Scene 1, including the dialogue, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. In seconds, the still image turns into a clean animated shot. The motion feels natural, the expressions make sense, and the dialogue lines up well. Repeat this for every scene. Upload the image, copy the matching image to video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, generate, and download. If you want higher quality, you can upscale directly inside Grok. Click the 3 dots on a clip, choose Upscale Video, wait a few seconds, then download the HD version. Now bring everything into CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the clips, drag them onto the timeline in order, and keep the pacing tight. Add simple transitions so the flow feels smooth. Around zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.5 seconds works well. For music, use the YouTube audio library. Choose a track that fits the mood, download it, and import it into CapCut. Place it under your clips and lower the volume so it supports the dialogue. Add a few subtle sound effects on transitions to make the video feel more dynamic. Do one final cleanup pass, trim awkward pauses, tighten pacing, and make sure every scene flows naturally. Then export the video in the best settings for your platform. And that's it. You've just created a complete animated story from script to final video using free AI tools and a workflow you can reuse over and over again. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.
Hold on, I've got you. Thanks, kind human. I'm tight. Don't worry, little one. Almost there. Remember, kindness makes you brave. I'll always help when I can.